For a minute, I thought that was the sun glaring here. Wow. We brought some of that sun with us, but that's good here too. It's nice to have some cool weather and nice change. Ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to be with you here today in the opening of the inaugural GMIS America. I would also like to thank our host for organizing this forum, alongside the team at GMIS, especially with Amir with us here in the crowd. The Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit is the result of a unique partnership, as you've heard, between the UAE Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology and UNIDO. It is designed to build bridges between manufacturers, governments, research community, and investors from around the world. A forum for sharing knowledge and best practice on the forces shaping global manufacturing. In doing so, our partnership seeks to fulfill the UN Sustainable Development Goals, to promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization and foster innovation. GMIS America brings this mission to a country that best embodies the past, present, and future of industry. America's unrivaled industry legacy, which few cities represent better than Pittsburgh, sits side by side with its current leadership in technology. It's also the country where the fourth industrial revolution first took root and where it will continue to be forged. As an emerging global technology and industrial hub, the UAE shares the US commitment to sustainable industrial development. In 2020, we embarked on an ambitious program to supercharge the industrial sector, seeking to double its contribution to national GDP and accelerate economic diversification in UAE. Our strategy was underpinned by the integration of advanced technology. Most importantly, it was grounded in the understanding that in a rapidly changing world, our long-term sustainable growth required new drivers. Realizing these ambitions require collaboration and exchange with the world's leading innovators. And it is in this spirit of partnership that we launched GMIS America. By reaching out to the industrial, technological, and research ecosystem and the world's largest economy, we seek to harness the innovations shaping the future of the industry. And it also allows us to highlight opportunities and incentives available in the UAE for international industrialists, manufacturers, and investors, and our compelling platform for companies seeking to expand into Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Very importantly, it will strengthen the economic, academic, and investment ties between our nations. As the Deputy Undersecretary just mentioned, the US and UAE trade relations are currently at a historic high. They mentioned $23 billion for 2021. So far this year, for the first half, we have reached almost $14.5 billion dollars. In areas such as aircraft parts, electronics, passenger vehicles are some that are leading these positive exchanges. We are eager to capitalize on this opportunity to raise the level of collaboration between US and UAE industry to new and higher levels. I therefore urge you to attend the Make It in the Emirates session, which we will have later this evening, which will explore the opportunities to introduce you to the UAE's truly unique value proposition. Ladies and gentlemen, over the course of the next few days, our discussions will focus on how digital technologies can power the energy transition and support the growth of sustainable manufacturing. Both are clear priorities for the UAE and indeed the world. I'm fully confident that this week's discussions will create lasting connections that will stimulate the industrial and economic progress of our two nations. Thank you, and I wish you a productive summit.